Hello everyone, welcome to this video on the important articles in the Hindu to October 28th. Let's start with the first page. Can you see this first news item? Yes, Supreme Court sets up committee to examine Pegasus allegations. This is an important article. You can go through this article thoroughly, and also you can make a small note of these statements like this one which was made by Supreme Court, and also you can see this. Justice must not only be done but also seen to be done. You should note down these kind of statements, and you can use such statements in the essay or your answers. And also, can you see this word called Orwellian concerns? So try to find out what is these Orwellian concern. Just search in Google about Orwellian state. And this is a fictional state predicted by George Orwell in his novel 1984. So this is a totalitarian state which conducts mass surveillance, etc. So find out about Orwellian state. Then also in the same context, you can also find out or you can know about the concept called social contract theory. This theory is given by philosophers like Locke, Hobbes, Rousseau, etc. When you have the fundamentals, when you know such background regarding the relation between state and the citizens, you will be in a better position to write good essays, good answers. So moving on to the next news article. Don't use new law to justify LAC moves, India tells China. This is in the context of international relations, an important article. You can go through this. Also in this context, sometimes UPSC in its interview asks the difference between LOC, LAC, who has demarcated LOC, demarcated LAC, and also what is the difference between international border and LOC. So LOC was the boundary between India and Pakistan was demarcated by Sir Radcliffe, but this was given by McMahon. So you should know about these things. You can just search about LOC, LAC, international borders, etc. In this context. Next is Center wants to keep birth and death database. You can go through this article. This in the context of NPR issue that has been there in the news. Moving on to the next news item. India seeks vaccine loans from ADB and AIIB. So know the difference between ADB, AIB, the headquarters of ADB, headquarters of AIB. This part, Manila based. So you can go through this. Who are the largest shareholders in ADB and AIB. Next, moving on to the second page, not many important article. You can skip the second page. This is a Delhi edition that I am referring to. In third page also you can skip the third page. Then moving on to the fourth page, not many important articles. You can skip this also. Then is editorial. The continuing with that spying Pegasus case. This is an editorial on that. Go through it. Today, most of the articles are related to Supreme Court's decision to start an inquiry into this Pegasus issue. So most of the articles which are related to this are important. You can expect an essay or a question in paper 2 on this issue. So go through these articles and write down the sentences and the concepts involved in this case. And the next, this article is not important. This is related to Sri Lankan presidents. Then the energy cooperation as the backbone of India-Russia ties. Not much important, not very important, but some points in this article, wherever like go through the introduction, see how this author is introducing the context. So learn the introductions from these articles. Apart from that, wherever I've underlined, just go through this concept of green energy. Uh, this this part you can go through it once, this paragraph, and in the end you can see this end part. Do need not go through complete article. Then you see this world minus ads. Social media outrage against brand campaigns is fueled by intolerance to progressive values. Very good article. You can use the concepts and the examples that are mentioned in this article for your essay and your answers. Go through this. Then you can see the next page. There is this article uh, called "The Need to Move Away from Clientelism." Read about what is this clientelism. This is how you should find out the meanings. What happens if you don't go through these meanings of these basic words is like you will be shocked, or you will be sometimes UPSC gives these kind of words in the essays. If you don't know the proper and comprehensive understanding or the meaning of the word, you cannot write an essay. So clientelism is a kind of exchange of goods and services for political support. So and just read about this clientelism and this article. This article is important in the context wherein UPSC in 2015 asked this essay, lending hands to someone is better than giving a dole. So this article also talks about populism, giving freebies by the political parties. Instead, what should be done? So in that context, this is an important article. You can also write an essay, 400 words on this. Lending hands to someone is better than giving a loan, and you can send your essay to my number on Telegram 9966 014 365. I'll get back to you in a couple of days. You can send this essay on this same issue. You can read this article and also read somewhere else and write a 400 to 500 word essay on this. Lending hands to someone is better than giving a doll, and send it to my Telegram channel or Telegram on this number 9966 014 365. I'll get back to you in a few days. Apart from that, there is this article, strengthening healthcare, Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. So in this context, to know about what is Ayushman Bharat program, what are the different components under this health and welfare centers, there is a Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This is a health assurance program. So don't wait till the prelims, and before prelims, don't take Vision IA schemes book and read all the schemes at one time. That is how you should not do for the prelims. If you have to clear prelims, every day you have to learn the schemes that are coming in the news. So go through this Ayushman Bharat scheme, go through this Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. What are the how much money is being given as an insurance for like 5 lakhs per year per family. So know about these basic details every day. That is how you will be remembering these things, and you will be not confused in the prelims. So this is how you should do to clear prelims. Then moving on to the next, Pegasus before the security card. Important article. All the articles today on the Pegasus issue are you can go through them. Next is Supreme Court sets up panel to look same. Again, this is also you can go through. Then the remaining are not important. This article, this is a continuation on the first article relation to Asian Development Bank and Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. The CUC, India respects UN clause rights. Know about UN clause. Just go to Google and read about UN clause today and today itself. Then there are some things mentioned in this article like territorial waters, exclusive economic zones. Know about these territorial waters, till what extent they are we have that till and exclusive economic zone where till what distance this is extended. Know about these things. And apart from that, yeah, you see this Agnify test fired. Know about Agnify, its range, what are the different stages, are they solid fuel, liquid fuel, etc. There are also in the news hypersonic missiles, which we'll see. So see those missiles related issue. National security cannot be a bugbear, says court. So all these articles, this one, you can go through them. Same Pegasus issue. And these things you can avoid. This one you can avoid. Even this one you can avoid. And then this page, 12th page, not many important articles. There is a new variant that is AY 4.2, infrequent in India. This INSACOG, I don't know how to pronounce it, but know about this body. This is a body, India SARS coronavirus 2 genome consortium. This is a consortium. Just to know about this consortium. That's all from this article. Next, moving on to the next page. Adopt cordial approach, Iran tells Taliban. Go through this article in the context of international relations, developments in Afghanistan, etc., inclusive government in Afghanistan, etc. Yes, this Sudan issue continuing from yesterday or a few days, need not go through that. Then you see this important article, China's hypersonic tests close to Sputnik movement, US general. Go through this important article and also know about hypersonic systems, etc., which can be asked in prelims and mains. Generally, they will not ask this specific issues. They'll be more comprehensive and more general. But in prelims, you can expect such things. Then the other things are not important. Just U.S. Senate holds confirmation hearing for Rashad Hussain. Go through this first paragraph. Just know what is the news article is about. Apart from that, if you see this, Julian Assange could go to Australian prison if convicted. US. If you don't know about WikiLeaks, if you don't know about this Julian Assange, go through this article. It's an important article. In the business page, we know that there is a coal shortage issue that is going on. Just go through this if you don't know about the issue. Apart from that, in this page, you can see microfinance institutions must stop chasing profit at clients' expense. You can go through this. Sometimes UPSC in interviews in prelims, there were some questions related to these things, microfinance related. The rest of the things in sports, you can selectively go through the headings. That's all for today. Thank you.